So I took and towel dried my hair. Then I ran through it with my dryer brush, sectioned it off, ran through the dryer brush, and I twisted some that needed more drying. I'm going to show you how I finish it off. Baby, this dryer is the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth.
Okay. I'm using blow dryer. I got it on cool at the moment. This blow drying brush is much better than the previous one I had. I've got very long hair. This one has the cool air setting, which I absolutely love. Some of them don't have that, and in the summertime, it's just too hot to have the heater. But I like this one because it does have the full air brush dry. And you just section your hair out and just section. You get it dry. Flip it over. Work and dry your hair at the same time. What can I say? It works really well, and I really like this. A good blow drying brush.
Hey guys, so today we're gonna use my hairbrush from LANDOT and my heat protection from Sias. So this is my first time using this hairbrush, so bear with me. I am not good at this at all. This is my first time doing it. The look that I'm going for is straight with curved ends. As you can see here, I'm parting my hair, curving it up with my hairbrush and just like releasing it. I don't know what I'm doing. As I said, this is my first time doing it, and yeah, it came out pretty good actually. and my first time doing it. I am really proud of myself. As I said, you just curve up your ends with the hairbrush so you get the nice finished curved up look. As you can see here in slow motion, I'm really proud of the end results, and I'm looking forward using the brush more often and create different styles with it. Thank you guys, bye.
D'associer un gospel à une chanson d'Edith Piaf. Et finalement, quand on la chante et quand on la vit, ça me paraît vraiment merveilleux comme était l'homme à la moto.